Here is a compact vortex technology sweeper, and kind of like a shop vac. I kind of see it like that. Very powerful with good air system. I'll show you that here in a second. It also has a retractable cord and a long cord, and you retract it just by hitting this button. When you turn this on, you have a number of levels here, minimum and on up to max, and this is the on button. That's minimum. That's max. Coming up to max here, I have the sweeper part. You can hear the suction. Reduce that for a minute. Everything, that's pretty powerful there, by the way, too. And let me just say, with these wheels here, they're really nice wheels. They're all like rubberized material down here. It makes it easy to glide across the floor, which is really, really nice. That you just see underneath there as well. And everything's easily interchangeable as well. And everything connects onto the port. You can see where that slides on right there. This is the extendable wand here area as well. Very easy to operate. You pull that in and you adjust your position there. So, and coming up to here, you just have a quick release. I also like to use this attachment here if I'm doing my cars and things. This is great for on furniture, and this is great for furniture too. And you just push that onto there and you have that. I'll show you an idea of the suction power of this here. You kind of have the idea how powerful that is there. And like I said, you know, these things just attach onto there, so you always have them there. They're handy, out of the way in a way. So looking into the machine here, let me just show you this. Let me remove this here. Everything's really nice and quick. You have in here your filtration system, one of the easiest ones I ever accessed, just like that. I thought that was pretty cool. And then put that back onto here. To clean this is really easy as well. You just go like this. You also have another filtration system there, but you don't even need to use that as far as getting to your emptying mechanism. Just try to do this here with one hand. When you come up to empty this, then your empty switch is right here, and your bottom just kind of pops out like that, and you can empty your debris. So what I like about it, has nice filtration systems. You really don't have to worry about filters. It kind of keeps everything nice and clean in there as far as all that goes. This just easily goes back into the position here, and then you just slide down the handle to lock it into place. So that is really pretty much the machine. I absolutely love it. Very easy to operate and very powerful as well. And just like quality, I said, here's the retractable wand. All you do is like pull that in, and very easy to adjust your length to that. So I'm very pleased with it. I like using it. It's great for large areas, small areas, or even inside of cars.